God, what the fuck you been doing? Hey! Okay, so I've been doing nothing. I'm putting money tree in y'all face because I'm trying to get wealth in this place. Nah, okay, but I'm really working on my May calendar. So far it's organized, but I have to do a lot of templates. I have to do a lot of paper templates, you guys, because I have to see where it's going, the intention. And the way I set my intention this month is by writing down a percentage of how much time I want to spend through 0 through 100. I wasn't going to judge myself on how much I actually did want to spend time on it. I'm going to find ways to spend more time on it leisurely, you know, but it's still work, you know. So maybe I'm not building on content, but I'm building on visibility. So that was important for me. My most important visibility of this month is going to be my tarot and the 𝕍𝕝𝕠𝕘 show. So mainly because the 𝕍𝕝𝕠𝕘 show has a project that is connected to it long term, so I have to make sure that it is started off correctly, and I am building my imagery for the project's launch. Okay, so that is my priorities for the month, but I also do have my YouTube being another priority. So my platforms are the priority. So I know Twitter is my dominant space. That's where I feel most comfortable. That's where I feel like I'm going to thrive. My most frequent self, my most visible self. That's where I would thrive most, because I can choose the visibility. I can choose thread and wordplay, the way I like to communicate verbally, and then the links are just a lot more accessible there. So I really appreciate going to that platform to be all I want to be. And then Instagram is my standstill visibility. Although I do use videos as my mainstream on the 𝕍𝕝𝕠𝕘 show, I also have to master the minute, master the attention span, because it's easy to scroll, and I want to be able to be viewed and communicated by not even having the sound on, because I like the option button of sound, no sound, sound, no sound. So when I get that sound button, I want to make sure that my voice is soothing as well as easy to follow. So I want to create content where it's a lot more structured. The time has changed, so I can't just do, oh, hey guys, it's my YouTube video. Now it has to be this minute, it has to be worth your minute. My minute has to be worth your minute, okay? And then it's like, can my minute be worth coming to my, other platforms like YouTube, which is where you can find a catalog or a collection of any of my work, okay? Whew. So yeah, that's that. So we got YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. So those are my main, but the places where I'm going to be creating visibility at will be my other platforms like Blood and Beauty, which is my beauty and skin content, because I noticed on my YouTube channel that my skin routine, skincare videos were the most popular. So it's like I want to focus on those things, but I also want to do more research and analysis on those things or products, So I would like to work hand in hand with more creators, more content creators who really do like taking pictures of their products and really do, for me, I'd rather just show you the picture and it'd be more, show you this and then it'd be that. But I also do like creating content. So as that goes further along, you'll see that increase as well. But for now, that's not my main priority for the month of May, because I am, like I said, you have a project, you have to have an end goal for it. So I have to focus on those things based off. Doesn't mean that my other projects will lack. It just means I'm only going to be able to give this percentile for the month of that, and just watch how it grows. So hope you guys are in tune. I hope you guys' month is going to be productive, as well as worth communicating about, worth telling someone about, worth sticking to your plan. So I have a short battery life. I'm going to have this uploaded, and I'll see you guys soon.